Hey, what's up guys? A news is coming from Samsung that Samsung is soon going to launch Samsung Galaxy A91. While Samsung announced the A90 5G recently, and it seems like its successor is already on its way. The Samsung Galaxy A91 will offer the same core specification, including a 6.7-inch Infinity U display, Snapdragon 855 chipset and 4500 mAh of battery, but will bump up the fast charging to 45 Watt. A notable change is the lack of 5G connectivity, which should result in a lower starting price. Around the back, A91 is rumored to keep the same 48MP of primary lens with an aperture of f2.0, but this phone will have an 12MP of ultra-wide sensor in place of 8MP camera found on A90. The third shooter will likely to be a depth sensor. Coming to the front camera, it is same as the A90 of 32MP but will come with a faster f2.2 aperture. Under the hood, we will see the Snapdragon 855 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The battery capacity will stay at 4500 mAh, but A91 will benefit from the added 45 Watt fast charging support. It is unclear if Samsung will actually provide the necessary charger in the box or will ship a 25 Watt charger, one as on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. On the software side, we heard the rumors that A91 will be among the first Samsung phones to ship with Android 10 out of the box. The price and other details are not revealed, so once I get to know the price, I will update on my channel. So this is all we know about the Samsung Galaxy A91. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.